Hi ladies, this is for you two guys. If you're interested in looking good, taking care of your skin and anti-aging and doing it all naturally, this is for you. So we are doing the biggest sale of the year for 2023 on our site, thatcolife.com. this week through Monday. So we're doing up to 50% off site-wide. Do not miss the sale. We are also giving away a free product if you spend $100 or more. And this product, I'm not gonna tell you what it is, it's a surprise, but it's one of our best sellers. We've never given it away for free. It's one of my favorite products. It just gives you that glowy, juicy skin. You guys, we are doing 50% off on some of our best-selling products on thatcolife.com, and our sale ends Monday, so you guys have a limited time to get these products. We're doing 50% off our vitamin C cleanser. You guys know I'm obsessed with vitamin C. It is such a powerful antioxidant. We're doing 50% off my personal favorite, our Scrub Me the Right Way facial scrub. This is eucalyptus and fine coconut husk, helps to decongest and get rid of acne and helps to really prevent any kind of breakouts and leaves your skin just absolutely beautiful and glowing. We're also doing 50% off our Miss Me toner, another personal favorite. I pop this in my purse. I use it after yoga. I use it throughout the day if my skin is dry. This is definitely a lifesaver. Do not miss out on these amazing savings. Happy shopping and happy Thanksgiving.